Talk to him. Lady Wit, y'all.
Lady Wit. You already know.
Y'all gonna have to let us know what y'all think. Let us know if she good or not.
Yeah, listen, yeah, I'ma make me known, and ain't no doubting that. And when they hear that track, they be like, who the hell is that? Her name is Lady Wit, she is a fucking beast. And every time I hear her song, it get me on my feet. She is a mic spitter, nickname a go-getter. And I don't know a bitch who say that they ain't fucking with her. I give myself props. I talk in third person. It sounds like people in my head and they just keep rehearsing. I get a cup of liquor, I get a blunt of dro, and then my brain begins to piss, I had to let it go. I give a Grammy to my lyrics, they magnificent. Sometimes I have to stop myself from being so belligerent. Say who wrote this and who wrote that. It doesn't matter who wrote it, cause Lady Wit's on the track. We run it back, press stop, let it go and play again. And I'ma make myself known, cause in this shit I gotta win. Cause music's what I do, and I spend every day in the goddamn booth.
You gonna look at the
Till
camera?
every bitch know about me, and everybody in the hood funkin' my CD. I feature on everybody track, do some damage to the beat and tell them remix that. I have everybody saying, and I ride through the hood, and I have everybody playing it. And I'ma make me know there ain't no bitches stopping me. You better bet your money, cause I'm like the game Monopoly. This shit here's a catastrophe, got all these haters knocking me. I'ma be the baddest bitch, so all you haters watching, singing, all you fucking fakers, y'all can straight kiss my ass and applaud to my fans while they laughing to their glass. And for all you haters knocking me, you better get your blockers on, cause ain't no fucking stopping me. The race to start, the clock is on. Tick, tick, tock, come on watch me win this race. Had to eat off in this rap shit, y'all just mad I had to take some heat for this fame. No, I can't be tamed, cause this sex ass animal is coming out his cage, and I don't know what else to do. If I were you, I hate me too, made me so damn known. Now they speaking, how are you, and you can say what you wanna. I'm the best at this shit, and if you don't know my name, nice to meet you, Lady Wit.
Ooh.
Just a little something I'm working on.
Hey, she killed it. Y'all gonna have to let us know what y'all think. Go hit us up. Let us know. We out.